आज मैं ऑलमोस्ट कोई 1 साल के बाद में शोभा हार्टलैंड की कम्युनिटी में आई हूँ इत्तेफाक से, क्योंकि काफ़ी ज़्यादा मेरा इनके साथ में आना यहाँ पे होता नहीं है। बट क्योंकि सीनिया आइलैंड और इनकी न्यू डेवलपमेंट्स उम्मुल कवीन बीच पे इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ आ रही हैं, मोटर सिटी में इनके आ रही है। लास्ट टाइम में जो इनके फॉरेस्ट विलाज हैं ऑन दैट साइड, आई रियली वर्कड वेल इन दोस। फिर ये मैं हूँ मैदान के अंदर, तो मैदान के अंदर डिफरेंट डेवलपर्स हैं, शोभा, अजीज़ी इज़ देयर एंड देन एलिंगटन एज वेल। तो आज आने का यहाँ पे है कि इनके एक्सप्लोर किए जाएँ ऑप्शंस जो कि क्लाइंट के लिए, इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए वैल्यू ऐड कर सकें उनके पोर्टफोलियो में, बिकॉज दुबई इज़ नॉट लिमिटिंग टू दुबई। डेवलपर्स अब बाहर भी जा रहे हैं, जैसे रास अल खैमा की वजह से डिमांड में इंक्रीज़ हुआ, इजाफा कर रही थी, तो उसी तरीके से उम्मुल कवीन की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, मोटर सिटी की तरफ। एंड दैट साइड अल मरजान आइलैंड के पास में जो सीनिया आइलैंड है, वहाँ पे इनकी डेवलपमेंट्स। एंड सीनिया आइलैंड बाय द वे इज़ ब्यूटिफुल। तो अभी हम पैदल चल रहे हैं, गाड़ी हमने लगाई है और अभी हम जा रहे हैं इनके सेल सेंटर की तरफ। तो जाके मैं आपको इनके सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स दिखाती हूँ, डेवलपमेंट्स दिखाती हूँ। ये कम्युनिटी में आके बिल्कुल मुझे ऐसे वो आपको फीलिंग आती है ना, थॉट्स आते हैं कि आप जो हो वो काफ़ी टाइम बाद आए हो, तो यार जब आप आए थे तो कम्युनिटी बन रही थी, राइट? एंड द कम्युनिटी इज़ फुली एस्टैब्लिश्ड एंड आई लव इट। तभी चलते हैं उनकी तरफ। देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ कमर्शियल्स ऑल्सो इन दिस कम्युनिटी रेडी हो चुकी है। वो कहते हैं ना कि नोबडी बिलीव्स अंटिल इट्स डन। विजन पे बहुत कम लोग यकीन कर रखते हैं जब तक कि पूरा हो नहीं जाता। तो द वे शोभा एस्टैब्लिश्ड द कम्युनिटी, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट लिविंग in the city, forest ka concept within the main location just next to downtown, like 10 minutes to downtown, and 2 international schools inside the community is something extraordinary, and it benchmark another quality of life aspect in Dubai real estate. Amazing. I've shown you guys Masar, जहाँ पे community के अंदर में 70,000 different species के trees थे, but today I am in a community which is next to downtown, the first forest-based community which is next to downtown है, मैदान। So मैदान का जो master developer नखील, यहाँ पे इस community जहाँ पे मैं हूँ, that is शोभा, और शोभा ने deliver की है forest villas and amazing lifestyle. So 4 bedroom, 5 bedroom, the time I remember started from 13. And today at least is 20. So Shobha has really gained that kind of trust and credibility for end users and as well as investors. The kind of lifestyle it has already delivered, the kind of amenities people are already using is different. So let's go to the sales center. I'm just here to explore the overall community. मास्टर प्लान तो हम बाद में देखेंगे, द लाइफस्टाइल दैट यू विल हैव हियर। सो आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट फॉरेस्ट लिविंग, कैसे डिलीवर किया इन्होंने एक लाइफस्टाइल। नाउ दिस लोकेशन व्हिच इज सीनिया आइलैंड, 10 minutes from Ras Al Khaimah location. Now since Dubai is growing, population is growing, there is surge and influx of people and so is demand. The concept of living for this unique location or this unique project is going to be very, very different. Why? Because Dubai itself is all coastal line and there is also land where we have communities and all. But this developer is expanding towards the Ras Al Khaimah side because there is already developers going in Al Marjan Island and the land was very limited. Shobha took this exclusivity of building their own apartments and exclusive mansions and villas on this location. Not only this, they have Shobha 1 and also Shobha is expanding towards the, I would say, north side of Dubai. Why? Because they have already started building in Ras Al Khaimah and also Al Quwain. So they're building a whole new downtown. Let me show you. So we have explored the existing community of Shobha Senior Island, and this is going to be the future of UAE, which is Al Quwain downtown. The whole coastline is 25 kilometers long and has direct, because it is coastal line, so has a direct access of the beach. The best part what I like about is this roundabout, and there is all
circle in a circle. There is nice buildings surrounding it. So Shobha is the also master developer of this location. They are building it one by one, and they're creating attraction for tourists who will visit UAE. Not only people who will come to Dubai, who will go to Ras Al Khaimah, who will go to Al Quwain. They will have an amazing experience, I would say, because of the lifestyle provided by the amazing developers of UAE. आपको न्यूयॉर्क के वेजल के बारे में पता है क्या? So just in the center, they are actually making the replica of that. Currently, they have launched only 3 towers. So let's go and check this. So this whole in the whole downtown, only 3 towers are launched just now in the whole downtown of Al Quwain, where the 1-bedroom prices are going to start from only 1.1 million dirham. And you can see the distance. I was looking at the distance. The distance between those two buildings is really nice. It's up to 100 feet. And the payment plan is 60% to be paid during construction and 40% at the time of handover. This is all about Shobha, not in Dubai. Today we discussed one of the community which is inside Shobha. Then we discussed Senia Island. Then we discussed Al Quwain downtown, which is fully established by Shobha itself. The master developer is Shobha itself. These 3 buildings are just going to launch, and the prices, as I said, starts from 1.1 million dirham with a payment plan of 60% to be paid in next 3 years' time, and 40% when you get the keys, when you get the completion, at that time it is payable. And it is an amazing offer for such location with such flexible payment plan and prices. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share it with a friend who wants this kind of lifestyle in UAE. Thank you so much.